fire burning within us, there is no life. But if you do not take care, fire can quickly go out of control and consume everything. Now, to present a wonderful display of Bharatanatyam, I would like to invite Neha and team.
The theme Agni is divided into three parts based on my interpretation of fire. I see the illuminating aspect of fire in the rays of the sun, the annihilator of darkness and sustainer of life. The heat of fire, the all-consuming power of a raging forest fire, culminates in regeneration. I sought to equate this with human experiences.
लयशील आशुषु क्षणि कामानि त्रिपुकान्त प्रणाश प्रवणातिशेष प्रवणातिशेष धरि 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 धरि
The fire of creativity, which an artist experiences, dwells deep within the soul. The process of creativity consumes all thoughts, even the thought of I, and only the sense of his living flame, Agni, remains.
Brahma